Hello guys, today we're gonna see a Sleeper app tutorial, how to use Sleeper Fantasy Basketball. Fantasy basketball can feel overwhelming with 82 games regular season, especially when managing your lineup daily starts to feel more like a chore. That's why Sleeper has made it easier and more enjoyable by offering two different game modes. First one is lock-in mode. In lock-in mode, we focus on weekly decisions and matchups, making the experience feel more like fantasy football. This means you don't have to log in every day to adjust your lineup. Instead, you can lock in player stats and lock before next game. This mode takes the pressure off daily lineups adjustments, allowing you to focus on your team's performance on the week. And 2, traditional fantasy mode. For those who enjoy traditional approach, you can still make daily decisions and manage your lineup in real time. Both modes are flexible and can choose whichever fits your playing style. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.